Hi everyone, Brian here, and today I wanted to address a certain question or concern that has been coming up a lot in relation to how can you save on the transaction charges that we incur when we are depositing to our money market fund accounts. And this applies across all money market platforms, whereby you have to incur some maybe like bank transfer charges. Then there's the M-Pesa transaction charges, because when you're doing again your deposits, it's not for free. And these ni zile charges ambazo si ati zimewekwa na fund manager. It is not by the company that you've opened your money market fund account. These are charges that you incur for the service of transferring your money from your bank or your M-Pesa to your money market fund account. The fund manager usually has a custodian. This is the institution which safeguards or keeps your money safe, and that has to be a bank. So for money to move from your bank to this other bank, which is the custodian, it has to incur some charges. The second thing, if you're going to use M-Pesa, which is a little bit convenient for so many people, it is going to charge you the pay bill charges, the normal ones, zile za kawaida. If you're paying for something via pay bill, you will still incur those charges. So I wanted us to isolate first that these are not charges by the fund manager. Then second, before I jump into the options, you should try as much. If you're going to put your money in the money market funds, please let this money be money that is going to stay there for a while. So one more thing for you to note is that try whatever money that you're investing or depositing in your money market fund account, wacha ikae pale for a while. Do not put money today and take it away tomorrow, because I know some people think that because we say 15%, 18%, then if I put in this 100,000 today, by the end of the week I would have made like 5,000 or more. Money market, again, we always say it is not a money maker. So let's cut all this to get kwa the main topic. So the first way for you to be able to save on the transaction charges, number one, you either need to be in the same bank as the custodian. And by this I mean, kama custodian ni Equity and you have an account in Equity Bank, you can actually do transfers, even if it is in hundreds of thousands, maybe a million. You can still do a transfer, because internal transfers, who are in most cases ziko free. So I can move money from my account as Brian to company X account and I'll not be charged, because we are in the same bank. So kama niko na account in Cooperative and the custodian is also Cooperative Bank, I'll be enjoying free transfer of money to and from my account. Number two, if I'm in business, perhaps ama maybe nafanya kitu yenye ina deal na a lot of cash, I have the option of going to do over the counter deposit to my account. I know with this comes some limitations, where kuna cap imewekwa for some companies whereby you cannot deposit more than 250,000 in one day. But then kama you are doing less than 250,000 deposits, you want to top up 10,000, you want to top up 5,000, maybe ni pesa zako za biz zenye umetengeneza the whole day, you want to put it in your money market fund, unaenda kwa agent wa mtaani, kama ni KCB, Equity, whatever, Cooperative, unaenda pale unaweka nataka uniwekee kwa hii account number, put the details na all that, na you will be done in a short while. If the bank pay is karibu, you can actually take the money pale pale uka deposit over the counter and you would have incurred zero charges. The third alternative ni wale ambao wanafanya deposit ya pesa kidogo kidogo, like maybe una deposit 1,500. I've seen some people do it, but this one is a lot of work, but it works. If it can work for you na you save whatever you are saving, kama ulikuwa unataka ku top up 300, 500 bob, and you see in investments, saving 1 bob can take you a long way. So kama uko na hiyo time and you can actually manage, ulikuwa unataka kufanya top up ya 200 bob, instead uweke 200 bob ukatwe 7 bob, unaweza weka 100 bob na 100 bob. But hii haiwezi apply kwa wale watu wenye wanafanya pesa mingi, because utashinda hapo kwa 100 mpaka Safaricom I think watafika place waanze kukucharge for the same. But in short, try to have a goal that the money that you are depositing will stay there for a while. At the end of the day, ile charge yenye you're incurring will have already returned in form of interest. Na utakuwa minimize the loss that you would have suffered through transactional charges. Na pia in withdrawing, always plan ahead. M-Pesa ni mzuri, but when you use M-Pesa as the option to get your money, sometimes your pay bill charge will be charged back to you. So unaweza ka work with the send it to the bank. When they send it to the bank, in most cases, it is completely free. So always try to find a way to save an extra coin so that isikulete shida. I wanted to share that with you. Find better ways to save more and get better returns.